Good morning, students. How are you all today? Hope you are doing great because we are working very hard for you all. I, Sabah Shaheen, as your biology teacher, welcome you all again in this beautiful class. Today, I will teach class 9th biology, chapter number 1, that is fundamental unit of life, cell, where will be discuss about some of the cell organelles. So students, before starting the class, I have a notice for you all. It is informed you that stationery shops are opening now and you can purchase your copies and books from the shops and complete your work on fair copy. Understand all of you? Now students, before starting the topic, do you know? We know that हमने देखा है कि एक फैक्ट्री किस तरह से काम करती है। एक फैक्ट्री जो कई चीज़ों को बनाती है वो कई काम करती है, जैसे असेंबल करना, मॉडिफाइड करना और फिर पैक करना और फिर पैक बनाई गई चीज़ों को ट्रांसपोर्ट करना। और एक सेल के फंक्शन को समझने के लिए हम यही एनालॉजी का प्रयोग करते हैं। Endoplasmic reticulum, which we have studied in previous class, work as a factory which manufacture certain things and Golgi operators transport these things. Okay? Golgi operators. Camillo Golgi in 1898 first observed densely stained reticular structures near the nucleus, and these were later named Golgi bodies after him. They consist of many flat disc-shaped sacs or cisternae. These are stacked parallel to each other. Varied number of cisternae are present in Golgi complex. Now function. It performs the function of packaging materials and it processes and transports proteins and other materials out of the cell. Golgi operators in plant cell known as dictyosome, and Golgi operators is also called as modification and packaging unit of the cell. It has one more important function that helps in formation of lysosomes. Next we have lysosomes. These are membrane-bound vesicular structures formed by the process of packaging in the Golgi operators. Okay students? The isolated lysosomal vesicles have been found to be very rich in almost all types of hydrolytic enzymes, just like hydrolases, lipases, proteases, carbohydrates, etc. Optimally active at the acidic pH, and these enzymes are capable of digesting carbohydrates, proteins, lipids and nucleic acids. Next we have ribosomes. They are composed of RNA and proteins and are not surrounded by membrane. Okay? Ribosomes firstly observed by George Palade in 1953. The eukaryotic ribosomes are 80S, while the prokaryotic ribosomes are 70S. Here, S stands for the sedimentation coefficient. Both 70S and 80S ribosomes are composed of two subunits. Understand all of you? Now, it's time for the homework and you all have to learn about Golgi operators and lysosomes. Understand all of you? And students, after the completion of the chapter 1, there will be an online test for you all. So prepare all these topics for your test also. Okay? Now I repeat it again. Students, अब स्टेशनरी शॉप्स ओपन हो चुकी हैं, हो रही हैं, और अब आप अपनी बुक्स कॉपीज़ वहाँ से परचेज़ कर सकते हैं और अपने फेयर वर्क को फेयर कॉपी में करना शुरू कर दें. थैंक यू. सो विद दिस I end my class today. Enjoy your day. Keep on learning throughout the day. Bye, students. Take care, all of you.